Hey, this is Pink2102. In this video, I'm going to show you what I have in my anxiety kit. And I just have this in this pouch as a makeup bag. So I seen this on TikTok and also on YouTube. But I'm going to show you what I have in here. It's very useful. So I just added this. These are for alphas, they're charms, but it's really satisfying. I don't know if that's the right word, to feel and touch when you're anxious. Then I have this gummies. These are spicy gummies. For some reason, it works better to have like spicier or not that sweet gummies because the sugar spikes more the anxiety. So sour gummies, actually, not like spicy, but sour gummies. And then I have a squishy right here. I have this little toy. I like the texture of it. And then I have hand lotion. It's with cooling, smooth, moisturizing, cooling factor. I have Nello Super Calm and Drink Mix. This is what I found right now helpful for my anxiety. And then I have a low carb, high protein bar, and it's actually pretty good, low carb. So, and then I have this back Rescue Remedy Pastel Natural Stress Relief. I can't believe it all goes in here. Then I have this essential oil. I have a liquid IV to stay hydrated. I sometimes forget to drink water and I get dehydrated easily, and I'm actually gonna look for more things to put in. And I have this other little fussy figurine, and just for the touch sense. And then another gummy is a spicy watermelon, and the other one is spicy mango. So that is what I have in my anti-anxiety kit. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Feel free to request any videos in the comment section below. I'll try to make some videos. I'm uploading on Wednesdays and Saturdays, but since this week I already uploaded 2 videos, this will be up on Wednesday. So stay tuned for this video and another video if I can. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for supporting my channel, and hit that like button and subscribe. Bye guys.